Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the straightforward process of activating your TD Ameritrade debit card, so you can start using it with confidence. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the straightforward process of activating your TD Ameritrade debit card, so you can start using it with confidence. Activating your debit card is essential to access your funds safely and begin making transactions immediately. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you activate your TD Ameritrade debit card hassle-free. Step 1. After receiving your TD Ameritrade debit card in the mail, inspect it to ensure there's no damage and confirm that your name and card details are correct. Step 2. You'll want to locate the activation methods available. TD Ameritrade typically offers activation via phone, online account access, or their mobile app. Step 3. For phone activation, call the number provided on the sticker attached to your card. Follow the automated prompts by entering your card number and other security details like the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. If you prefer to activate online, log into your TD Ameritrade account on their official website. Navigate to the debit card section where you'll find an option to activate the card. Step 5. Alternatively, you can download the TD Ameritrade mobile app on your smartphone, log in securely, and locate the card management features to activate your debit card quickly. Step 6. Once you've completed activation through any method, wait a few minutes for the system to update and enable your card for use. Step 7. Test your card by making a small purchase or withdrawing cash at an ATM to confirm activation success. If you encounter any issues, contact TD Ameritrade customer service immediately for assistance. Following these steps will ensure you can safely and efficiently activate your TD Ameritrade debit card and start enjoying the convenience it offers. Don't forget to keep your PIN secure and regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity to keep your money safe. Remember these simple steps every time you get a new card to make the process quick and smooth. Stick with our channel for more helpful tips and guides on managing your finances with ease.